Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of website design and exploring why it's so crucial for your online presence. So, buckle up, because in the next few minutes, we are going to uncover the key reasons why website design is absolutely essential. Imagine this: you walk into a store, and it's disorganized, the shelves are messy, and it's hard to find what you are looking for. How would that make you feel? Well, your website is your online storefront, and just like a physical store, first impressions matter. A well-designed website creates a positive and lasting impression on your visitors. Now, let's talk about user experience. Your website should be easy to navigate, providing a seamless and enjoyable experience for your visitors. Think about it as a roadmap: the smoother the journey, the more likely your audience will stay engaged. A good design enhances user experience, leading to increased satisfaction and higher chances of conversion. Credibility and trust are non-negotiable in the online world. A professional and visually appealing website instills trust in your audience. It shows that you care about your brand and are invested in delivering quality. Customers are more likely to trust a business with a well-designed website over a poorly executed one. With the majority of internet users browsing on mobile devices, having a mobile responsive design is no longer a choice, it's a necessity. A responsive website adapts to different screen sizes, ensuring that your visitors have a consistent and enjoyable experience, whether they're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Search engines love well-designed websites. A clean and organized structure, optimized images, and fast loading times contribute to better search engine rankings. So, if you want your website to be easily discoverable by your target audience, investing in good design practices is a must. Alright, we've covered the importance of website design, but now it's time to take action. If you're ready to elevate your online presence, we're offering a free consultation to kickstart your journey to a stunning and effective website. Click the link below, and let's turn your digital dreams into reality. Don't miss out, schedule your free consultation now.